Welcome back. We are going to find out if science can make your car smell better. If you saw my other videos on this car, you've known that it was disgustingly dirty. Everything was scrubbed, cleaned, disinfected. I even put an aerosol bomb car freshener in there. But after about a month, the smell returned, especially when the car is parked in the sun. So Einfahrt verboten, no entry. We have an ionization machine running in there to see if it will finally take care of our problems. So, car is closed up, everything is sealed. I'm going to leave that in there for a little while. Okay, that's been running for a few hours. We unplugged it already. Now we're going to let the car air out because you're not supposed to be breathing this stuff in. Ooh, smell the ozone. We let the car air out, and I smell the leather on the seats now, which is good. This is amazing. What a difference. This car was heavily smoked in for years, and this was my last resort to get the smell out. Otherwise, I was going to sell the car. So, what does this thing do? It makes ozone. Ozone is a little ceramic plate on the inside that creates ozone. The fan in the back blows it out. Ozone, which is a O3, wants to attach itself to other things. Doesn't want to stay as O3. It wants to turn back into oxygen. So it will attach itself to smells, bacteria, VOCs, and essentially kill them and return to oxygen. So there's the science that makes your car smell better. Now, does it work? I would say yes, it does. And it works really well. I had to do three different sessions with the car, like 2 hours, another time 2 hours, and I think another time we ran it for like 3 or 4 hours. And I always tried to do it when the car was at its smelliest, which was when it was in the bright sunlight. So that seemed to work very well. Local car detailing shops will probably do this in your area. A guy I spoke to wanted $175 to run the car overnight. So I Googled what the machine cost, and I bought one for myself for 70 bucks. So I'm not pushing any brand names. I'm just pushing the technology, but if you look at the picture of it, you could figure out which one I bought. I leave it on hold. I just plug it in so I don't have any issues with the timer breaking. So far, this has been a real good investment, and I'm able to keep the car now because my wife was refusing to drive it because it smelled too bad. So don't waste your time with any of those aerosol sprays or anything else. I tell you right now, they don't work. They're temporary. So go with this. Thanks for watching. And if this video helped you, please do me a favor, subscribe. You don't even have to watch any other videos, but just click the subscribe, hit the like. Thanks again.
Wow.
Woo! Happy 4th of July.
That's nice.